Made in China. Package dimensions: 9L x 10.25 W x 12.5 h inches. Package weight: 1 pound. This Dometic air conditioner condenser fan is replacement for Brisk model air conditioner. Top reviews from the United States. Family vacation saved. Thank you Amazon for having this fan blade in stock and available for shipping ASAP. Our really old AC unit in 1990 Jayco pop-up camper started making a terrible racket, vibrating. We took apart and we discovered one of current fan blades snapped off. We were able to remove old fan and replace new one ASAP. Our family vacation in a couple weeks is saved. Signed. Dad who can't sleep without AC in camper.